start off today's video with this hair transformation. Looks like she might be getting a bob. Oh, very nice. Swoop bangs in the front. Nice flowy texture. And she did get some color refreshing. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature a variety of hairstyles, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of shaking things up with a brand new style, this video is for you. Here we have a beautiful bright blonde pixie cut. Love the way this looks paired with the red lip. So pretty. And then we have a hair transformation. So she starts off with like a bob here. Bam! Switches it up to this pixie. Loving the color. It's like a really pretty red tone. And then we have a bob haircut. Now this features blue money piece highlights going in the front. Very unique color combo with the blue and the blonde. Really cool style. And then we have someone rocking another variation of this bold red coloring. So beautiful. Love the deep waves that she has. And her hair matches her nails. Then we have another color transformation. Base framing highlights, lob haircuts, gorgeous. And then we see someone switch it up with this shoulder length French girl style bob, bangs in the front, nice wavy texture throughout. And then we have someone rocking the under color trend. So she has a variety of color mixed in with this. Wow, this is so pretty. Such a unique hair coloring style. And I like the fact that instead of having just one color, she has like several different ones here. Such a pretty hairstyle idea. Beautiful copper, kind of ginger mix. And then we see a pixie hair change into this burgundy. Oh, wow. Her pixie is so cute. Kind of has a bit of a mullet vibe with some hair in the back too. Very chic and fun style. And the color looks absolutely beautiful. Next up, we have another color transformation. It looks like she went a little bit more green, and she also got another variation of the mullet style. Very cute. Another very unique, fun haircut idea. And then we have this beautiful all black pixie cuts. I love her lashes, so pretty. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.